Oh, I didn't see you there. Nah. BOOZHOO! Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And today, a little bit of history. Michael, today we're gonna do a song about Michael's grandfather running away from the Flandreau Indian boarding school. Isn't that right, Niji? Yep. And so before that, this is a song that Michael wrote about his grandfather, Aubrey Lyons, who was born in 1913, and he went to the Flandreau Indian boarding school when he was a little guy, and he didn't like it, and he ran away 4 times before he finally got away. And he would run away by sneaking out at night with his brother, Ray. And Ray and Aubrey would go down to the tracks there and wait for the train going by. They knew that the train would head north and eventually end up in Bena, Minnesota. And, you know, these days by car, Flandreau's in South Dakota. And it takes a good 8-hour drive to get there by today's standards. So my Aubrey and Ray, they were going to ride a train all the way back to Bena. So they snuck out and they jumped on that train and they got away. But then at one of the stops, the cops came by and they took them back. 3 times they did this. And each time the cops would find them. And Aubrey would talk about how the hobos, there were these adults that would ride the rails back in them days, looking for work. And they would help the boys. They would share their food and stuff like that. But the cops would come and take them back to Flandreau. So the day came when Aubrey finally just got up and walked out and jumped on a train and rode it back all the way to Bena. And then, as the story goes, he jumps off the train and he walks up to his dad's house. And his dad was raking leaves there, and he goes, "Hey, where did you come from?" And Aubrey says, "Where do you think?" And he never went back. He was only 14 when he escaped from the Flandreau Indian school or whatever. So this is a song that Michael wrote, and I hope you like it. Take it away, Niji. Oh, wait, let me grab the guitar. The song is for my grandfather, Aubrey Lyons, who went to the Flandreau Indian boarding school. I was born in 1913 in the storm of 1913. But then at boarding school, I was nobody's fool. Down at Flandreau, I grew madder every day. That's why I had to run away. 'Cause this is no way to live. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. But on a fateful fateful day, me and my brother Ray, we planned our getaway. If we can make it to them tracks, we won't be coming back. We're gonna hop a train. I thought we got away, but then the cops came and took us back to a leather strap. But I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I wanna go. I remember it still. I saw a whippoorwill out on my windowsill. How could I sit still? So I got right up and I walked right out. The teacher said to me, "Where do you think you're going?" Boy, I said, "I'm going home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. NANABOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, And you have been watching BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO. This is my Niji, Michael Lyons. And I will see you again. Gigawaba Min. Minawa. Hawa. Oh, that was a really pretty song, Niji. Hey, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Why don't you? No.